Hi, my good wife dropped her iPhone in oil. Now the sound was affected and the speaker was affected, the microphone and the speaker. I read a few forums with the only option was to leave it standing for several hours for the oil to drain out. Now I thought of a quick solution, which was to use a Dyson vacuum and point it towards the headphone jack, the speakers underneath, the button and the earpiece, with the slim tool, and within literally 5 minutes I was sucking the oil out and continuously cleaning and drying it with a paper towel. After that, check the sound on the iPhone, and sound quality was perfect. There you go.